off all my phones. You know I hate it when I'm.
It's time for change. It's time for a new look. I'm super excited. I'm ready. Your girl about to be 24 in a few days, so you know she gotta be cute or whatever. Yes. Okay. Let me get set up. I got my shares in my phone, and I think I'm gonna wash it and style it tomorrow because I really. By the way, this is a silk press. My hair is not relaxed or anything like that. Let me see what else. I think I'm gonna wash it tomorrow. I'm just gonna cut it like this and wash it tomorrow. Or should I wash it? I don't know. I haven't decided when I'm gonna wash it because I don't want to style it and then go lay on it and then get flat and ugly. I'd rather just wash it tomorrow and style it tomorrow since it's gonna take like 5 minutes. So let me go ahead and get set up and start the cutting. Okay. Pop my hair in 4 quadrants. I'm so excited. I can't deny it. My hair dirty. Oh my god. I'm balding. Okay, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start in the front. I wasn't doing it before, but I think I'm gonna start in the front because once you cut the front, you can't go back. So yeah. Oh my god, I really did it. Okay. And it begins. Literally. I can work with this. Oh my god, I feel free already. And it's just a little piece. So I only did the top part. Oh, let me scoot down. I only did the top part. This is how long I want it. And then once I see it curled up, that's when I'll determine whether or not I'm gonna go shorter. But this is how long I would like it. Oh, I might have to wash my hair tonight, to be honest with y'all. But I'm recording. Don't be scared. Here, use this one. This one will detangle it like more. But you're not like doing it, you know what I'm saying? You're not detangling it properly. You can use this as a ruler, but just, yeah. See what I'm saying? The neck. Okay.
No, okay. No, you want this one? We're gonna get up in there.
Okay.
Oh.
How many times you gonna fold it?
No.
You just gonna cut it off?
Damn, that's how you feel. Your hair's gonna look super healthy.
Yes, auntie, period. Look, your girl selling bundles. $20 a pack, all natural. A little stinky, but that's all right. It's a little freaky at the end. But a little flat iron, you could color it. Okay, virgin. Okay, it's not virgin, because I colored it. But yeah, $20 for the pack bundle. Yes. It's not even. You about to even it out. I think I am gonna wash it because it's hella greasy. Right? I'm about to go shorter. This ain't it, y'all. It's too much hair.